Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add leading zeros in Excel. So first of all, what you want to do is open up your document, either blank or the one you're editing, and choose a particular cell or a number of cells that you want to insert leading zeros into, and then you just right click, then go to Format Cells, and now simply in the category just select text and then press OK. And now, for example, if I insert leading zeros into my cells as so, and then save, as you can see they are not automatically converted into 1 and are capped just like you type them in. And also, as you can see, we have an error, so the number in the cell is formatted as text, so you can just choose to ignore this error. So just left click, then choose ignore error, and now your cell is just the way you want it. And that's a very fast and simple way to do this. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.